हेलो दोस्तों, आप सभी का स्वागत है हमारे चैनल लेट्स लर्न मैथ्स में। मैं राधिका गर्ग आज आप सबके साथ जुड़ी हूँ टीजीटी कंप्यूटर साइंस के पेपर के साथ। आज हम इस वीडियो में जो सब्जेक्ट रिलेटेड है उसकी आंसर की को देखेंगे। ये जो आंसर की है मैं आपके लिए पेपर का पैटर्न बताने के लिए लेकर के आई हूँ। ये जो पेपर है ये 21/6/2017 में हुआ था और ये सिर्फ सिंगल ही पेपर है। ये जो पेपर है उस समय ऑफलाइन मोड में हुआ था, लेकिन इस बार 99% चांसेस है कि ये ऑनलाइन मोड में होगा। अगर आप चाहते हैं कि आपको किस तरीके से टाइम मैनेजमेंट करना चाहिए ऑनलाइन पेपर में, तो आप हमारे साथ कमेंट बॉक्स में कमेंट कर सकते हैं, हम उसके ऊपर भी वीडियो बना देंगे। आप अपना कॉमन पेपर ज़रूर स्ट्रॉन्ग रखें ताकि आप अपनी जो सीट है वो बना सके। कॉमन पेपर स्ट्रॉन्ग होना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, क्योंकि सब्जेक्ट तो सभी अपना तैयार करते हैं, लेकिन जो कॉमन पेपर अगर आप उसमें मिनिमम 80 मार्क्स गेन कर लेते हैं तो आपकी एक सीट पक्की हो जाती है। तो इसीलिए आप अपने कॉमन पेपर पर ज़रूर ध्यान दें। आज का सेशन हम पहला क्वेश्चन है हमारे पास, डैश कंटेन्स द इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट अ फाइल दैट इज़ नीडेड बाय द सिस्टम प्रोग्राम्स दैट एक्सेस द फाइल रिकॉर्ड्स। इसमें ऑप्शन नंबर 4 जो है वो सही हो जाएगा। अ फाइल हेडर, अ फाइल डिस्क्रिप्टर, बोथ ए एंड बी। नेक्स्ट है हमारे पास, इन सी लैंग्वेज कंडीशनल ऑपरेटर इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एज। तो इसका जो ऑप्शन नंबर 3 है, टर्नरी ऑपरेटर, ये सही हो जाएगा। नेक्स्ट देखते हैं, इन सी लैंग्वेज %id इज यूज्ड एज द फॉर्मेट ऑफ लॉन्ग int डाटा टाइप। ऑप्शन नंबर 2 इसमें सही हो जाएगा। नेक्स्ट है, टेक्स्ट डाटा स्ट्रक्चर्स आर ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एज डैश लिस्ट। इसमें जो ऑप्शन नंबर 2 है, LIFO, ये सही हो जाएगा। नेक्स्ट हम देखते हैं, इन SQL टू ड्रॉप अ कॉन्स्टेंट फ्रॉम अ टेबल वी यूज दी ऑल्टर स्टेटमेंट विद अ ड्रॉप क्लोज। ऑप्शन नंबर 1। कंसिडर द स्टेटमेंट int val 2 4 equals to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 4 विल बी द वैल्यू ऑफ। हमें इसकी वैल्यू बतानी है, नन ऑफ दीज। ऑप्शन नंबर 4 इसमें सही हो जाएगा। PID ऑफ द कर्नेट प्रोसेस इज। ऑप्शन नंबर 2 0। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग एल्गोरिथम हैज़ द वर्स्ट केस टाइम कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी ऑफ n log n। ऑप्शन नंबर 1 हीप सॉर्ट। Sparse matrices have many zero entries than non-zero entries. Option number 1. The maximum degree of any vertex in a simple graph with n vertices is n-1. Option number 2. In a relational database, a referential integrity constant can be specified with the help of foreign key. Option number 2. Which layer of TCP IP is responsible for getting data to its destination? Option number 3 network layer. The dash standard promises to provide enough characters to cover all the world's language. इसमें होगा ऑप्शन नंबर 3 यूनिकोड. Which of the following is a private IP address? 192.168.12.12. Which of the following is responsible for converting higher level protocol addresses to physical network address? ARP. Option number 3. What does the following statement declare? हमें इस स्टेटमेंट को बताना है क्या डिक्लेयर करती है। इसमें जो ऑप्शन नंबर 3 है, a pointer to a function that takes integer pointer as an argument. What is the output of the following code? इसके लिए हमें आउटपुट बताना है, इसका होगा ऑप्शन नंबर 4 3. In ASP.NET difference between response writer and response output, what ये बताना है हमें, इसका क्या होगा मतलब। तो इसका जो आंसर है वो होगा ऑप्शन नंबर 2 response.output. In Linux, which command is used to record a user login session in a file by recording terminal session? इसमें ऑप्शन नंबर सेकंड स्क्रिप्ट, ये सही होगा। अंडर वर्चुअल स्टोरेज, इसमें बताना है हमें ऑप्शन नंबर थर्ड, ओनली द एक्टिव पेजेस ऑफ अ प्रोग्राम आर स्टोर्ड इन प्राइमरी स्टोरेज। इन RDBMS, B plus trees are preferred to binary trees since memory access is faster than disk access. Option number second. What does the VLOOKUP function do? Finds related records. Option number third. Next is, which of the following is an absolute cell reference? Option number second. Which of the following formulas will Excel not be able to calculate? Option number third. Addition of 11012 and ये is, हमें इसमें बताना है ऑप्शन नंबर थर्ड सही होगा इसमें। ट्रिगर कोड इज रिटन इन PL/SQL. Option number second. By default, the return type of any user-defined function in C is option number third, integer. Object-oriented programming uses bottom-up approach. Option second. The insulation of data from direct access by the program is called as data hiding. The property or the ability to take more than one form is called as polymorphism. Random scan monitors are also referred as all of these. Option number 4. Rate below which picture flickers is 25. The time a magnetic disc takes to position a head on the selected track is seek time. Which one of the following is not used to generate dynamic web pages? Option number 4, none of these. The group of digits stored at each address in memory is generally referred as memory word. Socket and WinSock are examples of this type of software. API. In Java, which exception is thrown when divide by 0 executes? Arithmetic exception. Which of the following protocols can automate IP configuration, IP address subnet mask, DNS default gateway? Option number second, DHCP. In IPv4, every IP address is formed using 32 bits. 127.0.0.1 is an example of local loop back address. Option number third. Default subnet mask for class A. Option number second. RAID configuration of disk are used to provide fault tolerance. Disk contains the swap space. SMTP is a protocol used in sending and receiving email. The length of IPv6 is 128 bits. Frames from one LAN can be transmitted to another LAN via bridge. An attribute of table cannot hold multiple values is the property of first normal form INF. Register storage class can be specified to global variables. False. Which among the following is not a logical or rational operator in C? Option number third. The disadvantage of using parallel mode of communication is it is costly. Choose the statement that are Syntactically incorrect in C language. Option number second. Increasing the RAM of a computer typically improves performance because fewer page faults occur. Option number third. In computer communication network, the term baud rate means the rate at which signal change. Option number third. Error detection at the data link level is achieved by cyclic redundancy code. Which of the following decides if a function declared inline indeed is going to treated inline in the executable code? Compiler. A situation where two or more concurrent processes access shared data and they try to change it concurrently is option number third, race condition. Where a group of processes are permanently blocked waiting for a particular event that will not occur. None of these. Option number fourth. Removing of suspended process from memory to disk and their subsequent return is called swapping. Dash is a scheme where only a portion of the job's address space is actually loaded into physical memory, virtual memory. A relation may have more than one key. In this case, each of these keys is called a candidate key. Which of the following is an example of non-volatile memory? ROM. What is the minimum number of stacks of size n required to implement a queue of size n? 1. A sorting algorithm is called stable if it maintains relative order of occurrence of non-distinct elements. Bresenham's line drawing algorithm is a line drawing algorithm based only on integer calculation. Hexadecimal equivalent of this is A9B. Defects are less costly if detected in which of the following phases? Requirements gathering. Option number A. In black box testing, only the functionality of the software module is tested. Pareto principle advocates 80-20 rule. Page fault occurs when the page is not available in main memory. Semaphores are used to solve process synchronization. In an SQL query involving not, or, and without parenthesis, what is the order of evaluation? Not followed by and followed by OR. Where is the default session data stored in ASP.NET? In process. Which of the following is not a valid formula in MS Excel? Option number first. In ASP.NET, which namespace provides forms authentication? Option number third. Octal equivalent of this is option number third, 750. Which of the following is not an advantage of multi-processing system? Decreased operating system overhead. Option number third. Multi-programming was made possible by both A and B. A DMA controller is connected to the option number second, system bus. Which of the following statements declares a one-dimensional array named item that consists of 5 elements? Option number fourth. A logical schema in a database is the standard way of organizing information into accessible parts. Which option of the kill command sends the given signal name to the specified process? Option number third. In the Linux or Unix system, process information in the current shell can be obtained by using. Option number third. The command syntax to display the file sample.txt one page at a time is. Option number third. The permission represented in octal expression will be. Option number third, 744. At the end of kernel bootstrap, which process is started? Option number first. In SQL, which of the following is not a data manipulation language command? Option number 4, create. In SQL, which command is used to make permanent changes made by statements issue since the beginning of a transaction? Commit. In Linux, which option of rm command is used to remove a directory with all of its subdirectories? Option number 4. Which command will create a new empty file in Linux? Option number first. To access the services of operating system, interface is provided by. Option number second, system call. Which of the following is not a type of constructor in C++? Option number second, friend constructor. Which of the following is not the member of class? Friend function. Option number second. In ASP.NET, what is global SX used for? Option number first, to implement application and session level events. Which of the following tag is used to mark a beginning of paragraph? Option number third. Correct HTML tag for the largest heading is. Option number 4. The information stored in the catalog of a database is called. Option number 4, metadata. Which SQL operator tests if any of the subquery value meets the condition? इसका आंसर जो है वो सही से नहीं पता चल पाया तो आप इसको देख लीजिएगा. To add two cells A1 and A2 together, you use the following formula. Option number 4. How many primitive data types are there in Java? Option number third, 8. Last question. Root algorithm used in manets is. Option number 4, ad hoc on demand distance vector protocol. आज का हमारा सेशन यहीं पर ख़त्म होता है. आप हमारे चैनल को लाइक करें, शेयर करें और सब्सक्राइब करें. और आप हमारे टेलीग्राम चैनल से भी जुड़ सकते हैं. वहाँ पर आपको फ्री स्टडी मटेरियल मिल जाएगा. आपको हमारे टेलीग्राम चैनल का लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएगा.